जा रहे हैं धुरंधर 2 देखने। I am leaving for a trip tomorrow in the evening. We are here at Rajouri because मेरे को एक ब्लाउज लेना है। As always, I designed this. We are here at Rajouri because मेरे को एक ब्लाउज लेना है। मेरा 25th को एनुअल डे है and I'm wearing a sari and I have the Rajouri expert here. She knows Rajouri.
She knows. I know.
चलो तुम साइड में जाओ, हो गया तुम्हारा फ्रेम टाइम, बहुत हो गया।
मैं तो देखो मैं खाने आई हूँ मोस्टली।
तुम खा चुके? We had very good food.
I came directly from college, guys. My outfit.
We are both wearing cut sleeves.
Yeah.
Same. I'm looking for a black blouse for my sari, जिसकी मैं फोटो डाल दूंगी। But I hope we can find a blouse because
A good one.
हमको जिम भी जाना है, तो we need to be home on time also. Blouse is to be secure. अभी alter हो रहा था, तो we went into Zudio, which I will not be going back in again. A nail paint and a lipstick और कितना 270. हाँ 280, which is not bad, but I hope कि मतलब कोई reaction ना हो frankly. I hope so. But अब हम जाएंगे blouse लेने and then we're gonna go home.
Hi guys. तो अभी इनका फ़ोन मेरे पास है। क्यों पता है? इनको 2 बार एक ही जगह पे चोट लगी है। यहाँ पे कहीं पे। रुको, हाथ उठाना।
घुटना दिख रहा है। हाँ यहाँ पे
कहीं पे। So but at least हम जिम आ गए guys. This is such a bad footage. I just hit my head on the knee.
क्या करा मेरे घुटने ने तेरा? एक्सरसाइज ना करके ये सब कर रहे हैं।
हम 3 चीजें कर चुके हैं।
एंड 2 बारी लग चुकी है, so fair enough I guess.
इनको
It hurts like hell. We somehow made it to the metro after being rejected by rickshawalas.
The weather is really nice. It is nice if you're not going outside.
Yeah. What the hell is my head? Okay, before our metro is here, हम जा रहे हैं धुरंधर 2 देखने.
Dhurandhar the Revenge.
What do you think Dhurandhar 2 means?
Dhurandhar the Revenge.
Okay, Prachi. But we are going before it releases worldwide. Successfully reached on time because I read the time wrong. I thought 9 बजे की मूवी है.
Despite that, मैंने मेट्रो में बैठ के इनको बोला था कि 9:45 की है, एंड जब ये बात मैंने बोली थी तब 8:45 हो रहे थे, तो I specifically said 1 hour from now. Somehow she did not listen.
I did not hear that at all. So in my head I was like, oh my god, we are panicking because 9 बजे की तो मूवी है.
मैंने 9:15 बजे इनसे टाइम पूछा, टाइम क्या हो रहा है, इतना परेशान होके बताया.
Then I was told कि 9:45 की movie है and I was panicking for nothing.
Also, guys, if you guys have seen, there's this new cafe, Alien Kind, in CP, and it's right there in Central Park.
But we are not going there. So मैं क्या with Pratham.
What are you guys talking about?
Some dating my
Not
mom.
about you, definitely.
Did you guys talk about Alien Kind?
Yes.
I've tried their burgers when I was back in
When?
Bangalore. I like the taste. The buns are pretty nice. But again, there's nothing conceptual about a burger. It's just a gourmet burger, which is like over expensive burger. If you want to have good burger,
Go to McD.
no.
Go to McD.
Don't consider me a connoisseur, but I'm good at food. You can try Louis Burger or Burger Club because they make their own buns. Or if you want something fulfilling, you can try.
Meggy, I'm loving it.
No, there's one more. Yeah, good flipping burgers. And if you want to try good sandwiches, you can try Lexi's sandwiches. If you're in Delhi or Gurgaon, or if you're in Bangalore, Paris Parini, hands down, is the best sandwich you could ever have.
Okay, we will do a food spot video. Okay, then we will show you. Okay. We're getting coffee before the movie.
Oh, they're smiling.
Yeah, that's so nice. Coffee is nice, light roasted. Doesn't feel the aftertaste is not bad, not bitter. Good for anyone.
Nice.
Not very difficult.
Icy.
But
It's supposed to be
it's
very
very
cold.
milky. It's not icy.
It's not icy.
That is mine.
She has to complete this in 3 minutes. Sorry.
Review to do. I don't see a good review coming. Okay. It's wilding, guys. लेगिंग है मतलब बट ऐसे कौन ऐड करता है मूवी दिखा दो They're not starting the movie, guys.
और जब हम वॉशरूम गए होते हैं तब ये मूवी चला देंगे, तब इनको पहले प्ले करना है.
अब हम वॉशरूम से होके आ गए मैंने फिल करा दिया लेकिन मूवी नहीं स्टार्ट I will also use this card, okay? Can I play with Can I play with Hi-Fi?
Why we stay till?
For stupid as post-credit.
No.
What no?
We stayed till like what? The entire theater's empty. So, how was the movie?
Amazing.
Prachi.
I want to watch it again.
Yeah.
Now I'll give a not no spoiler but detailed review, which me and Jasmine have equally agreed is that great choice of songs. Damn, the
I
right
say crazy plot twist.
and
You cannot predict anything in this movie.
Exactly.
the fact
Everything is so just so
Well
unpredictable.
written, high.
I don't remember where I parked my car.
Me and Prachi during the movie, every 5 minutes we were like,
Yeah.
we were like this.
So there was like a crazy scene. So we both held hands like this.
Both? We did not.
We
Hello,
all three.
We three. हाथ पकड़ के बैठे chain बना के.
No,
It
but
got catch
I gotta say, the writing is really good. It closes all the open ends from first movie.
Yeah.
And there is no like there are certain open ends right now. मैं घर जाऊँगा ना. I'll tell you. तुम देखना. I'll go home and I'll when this movie settles down for me, then I'll tell you the open ends that I feel.
Think of them as necessary components that need to be closed.
And
Summarize कर.
हाँ मतलब not as in that we need a sequel, not like that.
बता दिया.
And
present
this-
बता दिया.
And there's one thing. A lot of things are factual. But there's one thing I would say. This is not the story of, and I'm someone who likes. अभी सब यहाँ बंद हो गए. We'll go another place. So I'm someone who likes history. I've read things by choice. So,
You know what I have to say to that? As somebody who is not as updated, the moment any character ends, you say, chess. Oh, I'm like, what is happening? What are
He
you
also
excited
cried,
about?
na?
He cried, huh? There is a
He
scene,
cried.
and I knew he would cry. I did not cry in any scene, which is surprising.
Same.
Yeah, that.
I almost cried in one scene, I'll tell you. But
and also
I did not.
every scene is not that emotional. It's just certain. I watch movie and
Things hit, yeah.
yeah things hit. But I was
Yeah.
saying what I was saying was a lot of things are very factual. This story would not be real, of course. But this story is not about one person. It is about multiple men who went to that country.
Events,
Multiple
events.
historical events. And if you're even this much into news, you'll know all of this is facts. All of this is facts, and all of them, it is there in the headlines, and they have mentioned in the headlines as well.
And we are gonna find those headlines.
हाँ, because उसके नीचे उस आर्टिकल का नाम लिखा हुआ था, या फिर कहाँ जैसे पाक जफर हमने पाक जफर
न्यूज़ हेडलाइन.
yes exactly, so everything is fucking fact.
Hi guys, it's kind of chilly, so I'm wearing very moti सी jacket.
ये by the way मेरा vlog नहीं है, कैमरा होते ही प्राची का vlogger बाहर आ जाता है. And as I was saying, time check, it is 3:37. Thank you, Prachi. She's my co-anchor, okay, basically at this point. And we randomly came to this very nice spot actually, जिसका नाम मैंने क्या नाम है इसका? The Coffee something in. There are a lot of peacocks here. I mean, this is very, very fun actually. It is so nice here. Wait, I will show you. Can you see? It is very nice here. And अब हम जाएंगे घर for a sleepover. She has college tomorrow.
Yeah.
And he has work, but
It's
he has
not
work from home.
tomorrow, it's today.
I have no college
In a few hours.
I have no QLAs to go to because my class cancel हो
She's
गई.
just trying to make me jealous, guys.
I just made my to-do list and it looks so bad because there is so much to do. It is around 12:15, so a big chunk of the day is already gone, which honestly no complaints there. But let me tell you everything that I have to get done today, which I don't even know if today is gonna be enough for it. And the reason, before I even tell you the to-do list, the reason why it's so packed and it's so actually stacked in the same day is because I am leaving for a trip tomorrow in the evening. So I actually have to get done everything today because I won't really have any time for that tomorrow because I have college and I come back Monday morning and I can't take an off that day either. I am going to Vaishno Devi, by the way. So अभी वहाँ पे ठंड है जिसके लिए मेरे को सर्दी के कपड़े निकालने हैं जो टिपिकली एज ऑलवेज बेड्स में पड़े हुए हैं, लाइक बेड्स में ऊपर अलमीराज में, तो वो सब निकालने पड़ेंगे एंड पैकिंग करनी है. ठीक है. आई हैव टू वॉश माई हेयर. माई हेयर इज सुपर ग्रीसी, बहुत ज्यादा ग्रीसी है. आई नीड टू वॉश माई हेयर. आई वुड बी गॉन फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे एंड विल बी बैक मंडे, बट आई वॉन्ट अ वीडियो टू गो अप ऑन संडे टू गेट दैट वीडियो लाइव फॉर यू गाइज व्हाइल आई वुड बी आउट ऑफ रीच. आई नीड टू फिनिश एडिटिंग इट टुडे, बट वही है कि आई हैव अदर थिंग्स टू डू एज वेल. तो आई डोंट नो, maybe I'll stay up late, maybe I'll finish it up tomorrow. I don't know frankly. And then I have a test tomorrow to make it worse. The unit that this test is from, the subject is business organization. Easy, right? No. Because इतना syllabus है, I swear to God. जो reading मैम ने भेजी, she's taking unit 3, उसमें 12 chapters हैं. And somebody asked her in group, of course, कि like, are we supposed to do all of this or what? And she said, no, you can do it till chapter 8. That does not make it better. 8 chapters is a lot. And I thought कि like मैंने तब PDF नहीं खोली थी, तो I thought maybe छोटे chapters है, usually ऐसे होता है. नहीं है, because I think chapter 8 तक 110 pages है. So I don't know, honestly, I'm just gonna skim through it and that's literally it. Because अगर 8 chapters ही है, तो there is just no way. And then on Monday when I come back, I have an assignment submission which I want to complete by today only. और honestly अगर आधा भी हो जाए, that would be a big help. So, and in the same class, by the way, I have a presentation also, but that is a non-graded presentation, so I'm not that worried about it. And then I'm also meeting Vaibhavi today. We have not met in a long time, and अभी ये weekend भी बहुत busy हो जाएगा, and then next week भी बहुत busy होगा. You'll see, because I would be vlogging next week also, but I have a lot of things coming up next week, so we are gonna meet today. sister's top. This is from Lee Cooper if I'm not wrong. I'm wearing my off-duty jeans and then I did not want to wear any shoes, so I'm wearing these bellies. I got this from just a local store, and then same to match the bellies I'm wearing a brown sling. I need to close that. And then I am gonna carry this denim jacket because it is chilly, honestly. So yeah. Guys, I just got here and it is so freaking windy. I'm wearing my denim jacket, which I didn't think I would wear, but it's very chilly. Yeah, but yeah, I'm here. We are in McD as always. We always eat here as always. You are matching. By you, this is you. This.
I'm fries.
You are fries and I am the burger. Who is Coke?
Coke.
Coke is Coke?
Coke.
Okay. पैसे उड़ाए उस जॉयोको में जाके, हमें कुछ नहीं मिला बिकॉज
लगा ही था वो स्कैम करेंगे हमारे साथ.
बिकॉज इनके जो वो क्लॉज होते हैं, दे नेवर रियली पिक अप एनीथिंग. सो आई हैव स्कैंडलस ब्राउन, शी हैव डीप ब्राउन.
Deep down.
लेफ्ट.
Let's just do a taste test.
Are you sorry, don't want to try? I have Webwiki book with me. Okay, I just got home and actually before I head in, I wanted to show you something. Webwiki gave me her latest book and we actually worked on the cover. I designed this and it is so pretty. It turned out so well and I'm so happy that she let me design this. Like, look at this. It's so pretty, so sundar. Please guys, get this book. She has more books, by the way. My best friend is an author. That is such a cool thing. But please, I will link her socials and where you can buy this book and her other books in the description, so make sure to check it out. I will put up the tropes of this book on the screen, so if you think that this is something that would interest you, go ahead for this, especially if you like second chances, because this Okay, I have been like super here and there since the morning and I picked up some chips and a moisturizer. I am back to my favorite moisturizer, the Holy Grail, honestly. So yeah, I need to finish up packing now. There is my suitcase. I'm also editing my video, but I realized that I should probably get done with my packing first and then I can just edit without stressing about it. So ready to leave. So yeah, I hope you had fun watching this video. This week was crazy busy and the next week is just gonna be busier. So yeah, I'm excited to do the post trip reset if I'll even find the time, because I have so much to do next week, but that'll be for another video of course. But yeah, I hope you had fun watching. I will see you in the next one in Vaishno Devi. Bye.